Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the best folding exercise bike, a versatile and space-saving home workout solution. If you're looking for a reliable exercise bike with multiple features, stick with me for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. 3-in-1 versatility. The bike can be used in 3 different modes: upright for high-intensity workouts, recumbent for a more relaxed ride, and folded for easy storage. This adaptability makes it a great choice for users of all fitness levels. Additionally, the hand resistance bands enhance the workout by allowing you to strengthen your arms while cycling, making it a full-body exercise machine. Sturdy construction. Built with a reinforced triangle structure, the bike supports users weighing up to 300 pounds. This ensures maximum safety and stability even during intense workouts, making it a durable option for long-term use. Multifunctional LCD monitor. The large LCD screen tracks key fitness metrics, including distance, calories burned, heart rate, time, speed, and odometer readings. This real-time tracking helps users stay on top of their fitness progress. Additionally, the built-in iPad holder allows you to follow along with workout videos, watch entertainment, or even browse the web while exercising. Adjustable magnetic resistance. Featuring 8 levels of magnetic resistance, this bike provides a smooth, silent, and customizable workout. Whether you prefer a light pedal or a more challenging session, the adjustable settings ensure you can tailor the intensity to your fitness level. Plus, the whisper quiet operation makes it perfect for shared living spaces. Comfortable design. The extra-large seat cushion is ergonomically designed for long workout sessions, providing ample support and reducing discomfort. The adjustable seat height ensures users of different sizes can find the most comfortable position. Additionally, the anti-slip pedals accommodate shoe sizes up to 13, ensuring a firm and secure grip while pedaling. Pros. Multiple workout modes. Upright, recumbent, and folded positions offer versatile workout options. Compact and foldable. Space-saving design perfect for small apartments. Silent operation. Magnetic resistance ensures a quiet workout. Full body workout. Arm resistance bands work both upper and lower body. User-friendly display. LCD monitor provides real-time workout stats. Adjustable seat and handlebars. Customizable for different user heights. Cons. Limited resistance levels. Advanced users may find the highest setting lacking intensity. Not ideal for serious athletes. More suited for general fitness than high-performance training. No preset workout programs. Users need to create their own workout routines. Final thoughts. The Hapbear folding exercise bike is an excellent choice for home workouts, offering versatility, comfort, and ease of use. With its 3-in-1 design, solid build, and multiple features, it's a great option for those looking to improve their fitness without taking up too much space. However, if you're an advanced athlete looking for intense resistance levels, this might not be the best choice for you. If you're interested in purchasing the Hapbear folding exercise bike, check out the link in the description for the best price. Also, don't forget to subscribe to BackTech Product for more in-depth tech and fitness gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.